So say we wanted to only look at data for specific account managers. We can say right now we're looking at all of them, but let's say we want to compare, we only want to compare Joe and Tariq. Bam, there we go. So this shows us what the revenues that Joe and Tariq are pulling together. Or if you want to compare an individual, let's look at Wilson, because he wasn't doing so hot. Yeah, he's not doing very well. Let's see, then we can see all the other information that's provided in the table. One thing we can do further, moving from that, is that we can add a chart. So let's go to insert, bam, bam, bam. So now we want to make this data even more visual. So let's see, what do I want to do? I want to see account managers. Well, I want to see all the accounts, and so we have it right there. So what the chart would show us here is a comparison of how all the individual brands are doing, categorized by their specific brand managers. Now we can decide, let's just look at how the account managers are doing within the specific brands, and that's what they shows us. And we can also just do basic changes, like if you want to look at the pivot table, you don't like that color. Sorry, if you want to look at the chart, you don't like that color. I kind of like this one because it makes it big and it looks cool. And we can do that. We can compare revenues, we can compare costs. And one other thing we can do is, let's see. Yeah, I think we got that already. Okay, so there we go. A few tricks on how to use Excel to understand data and to be able to especially present it to your boss or to present it to customers and make them understand the various elements of the data. Okay, so that's all for this video. Next time I'll try cover a little more, get into the data with a few more subtleties. I'll give you just a quick demo of what we might look at next time. So right now at the top here we have a few summary items. Say we count the number of customers. Oh no. Yeah, so we count the number of customers. I think I messed up a little bit. But yeah, so next time we'll go into looking at named cell ranges. So to show you how that is applied is where we have a set number of managers. So every time, regardless of how many brands you decide to manage, you're going to have to distribute them across a predefined number of managers. So I can show you how to put all that on a drop-down list that you can come and select from, or how to make dynamic cell range named, how dynamically named cell ranges, so that when you're creating a name for this range holding the brands, how do you make it such that if you come back here and add one more and decide to add a new one, that the number up here goes up and indicates that there's a newly added customer and all the averages calculated as should be. So yeah, so I think I'll stop there for now, and hope you enjoyed it. Post questions in the comments area. Bye.